Morning class 5, welcome to the offline class. In today's online class, we have completed up to page number 183, practice time, and the chapter is 13 ways to multiply and divide. See, in this chapter, for practice time, the three questions were there, and all the three questions you have to divide it. The first question we have discussed, and second and third I have told you as homework. It is simple division. I think you can do it. Okay. And next was brain treasure. See, Shamoli bought a battery. She read on it life 2000 hours. She uses it throughout the day and the night. How many days will the Shamoli, she has bought a battery, and in that it was written life 2000 hours. Okay, and she has used it day and night. You have to find out that how many days does the battery has worked. Okay, so very simple. In one day we have 24 hours, isn't it? And here it is told that 2000 hours. So you will divide that 2000 by 24. Whatever the answer, it will be the number of days. Okay, so brain treasure, you will do it of your own, because you have to see how much the treasure is in your brain. Okay, yes, now come to the next one. More with multiplication and division. A tank is full of 300 liter of water. How much water will be filled in 25 tanks? If 15 buckets can be filled with one tank of water, how many buckets in all can be filled with the water in 25? See, first of all, here it is given that the capacity of a tank is 300 liters. Okay, and you have to find out that how many 25 tanks can be how much capacity is for the 25 tanks. So for one tank the capacity is 300 liter, so you will find for 25 tanks, means you will multiply by 25. Next it is told that if 15 buckets be filled with one tank, means for water 15 buckets are used, then for 25 tanks how many buckets will be used? That means you have to multiply it, isn't it? So let us do this one in the copy. This is page 183. See, in one tank is equals to 300 liters. Therefore, water in 25 tanks is equals to 300 into 25. So 2 zeros, 3 5s are 15, carry 1, 3 2s are 6, plus 1, 7. That means it is 7500 liters water is there in 25 tanks. Now for the bucket you have to found. So you will write, now water in one tank, water in one tank is equals to 15 buckets, isn't it? It is given 15 buckets. Therefore, water in 25 tanks is equals to 15 into 25. So multiply this one. In rough you multiply 15 25. 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 5 2s are 10, 11, 1 5s are 5, 1 2, 5 7 3. Means 375 buckets. So here it will be 375 buckets. So for the tank it is 7500 liters of water, and in if you are calculating in buckets it is 375 buckets. Okay, so you will write how many buckets. So you will write 375 buckets in all can be filled with the water in 25 tanks. Okay, yes, now come to the second question. There are 28 laddus in 1 kg. How many laddus will be there in 12 kg? So if 1 kg there are 28 number of laddus, so for 12 kg how many laddus? That means you have to multiply 28 into 12. If 16 laddus can be packed in one box, how many boxes are needed to pack all these laddus. Now you have to find out that for 16 laddus we need one box. So for this much laddus, how many boxes are required? So first of all, you have to find the total number of laddus, isn't it? So let us find it. This is question number 2. You will write number of laddus in 1 kg. Number of laddus in 1 kg is equals to 28. Therefore, number of laddus in 12 kg is equals to 28 multiplied by 12. So multiply it. 2 8 is 16, carry 1, 2 2 is 4, plus 1, 5. 1 8 is 8, 1 2 is 2, 6, 8. 336. So in 12 kg there are 336 laddus. Okay. So in one box, number of laddus in one box is equals to 16. Therefore, number of laddus required, not laddus, it will be boxes. Number of boxes required or needed, it is 336 divided by, you have to divide it. 16 outside, 336 inside. Ones are not ones are 32. 1 6 will come down. Ones are 16. That means 21 boxes we need. So here you will write 21 boxes. Okay. So 21 boxes we need. Now come to the, there are 26 rooms in a school. Each room has 4 plants. If each plant needs 2 cups of water, how much water do we need for all the plants? See here, total number of rooms are 26, and in one room there are 4 plants, and one plant needs 2 cups of water. You have to find out for this 26 rooms how much water is required, isn't it? So first of all, in one room there are 4 plants and one plant needs 2 cups. So 4 plants will need 8 cups of water, isn't it? And there are 26 rooms. In one room, 8 cups. So in 26 rooms, 8 into 26. That will give you the total number of water needed for 26 rooms. Clear? So this you try of your own. Page, come to page 184. See page 184, make the best story problem. The answer is given, you have to just give a tick mark to the questions, to the options which will be the appropriate question. Okay, so you do it of your own, read the answers, and from your point of view, which one or which option will be the question that you give a tick mark. Okay. There are 1 2 3 4 questions, so do it of your own, and if you have any problem you will ask me. Now come to the next topic, cross check for Harisharan, sorry, it is Harisharan. Now Harisharan wanted to divide rupees 2456 amongst his 4 sons. He asked his eldest son to tell him how much money each one will get. So Harisharan, he want to divide 2456 rupees among his 4 sons, and the division they are doing like this. First one he has divided, and the answer he is getting 624. When Harisharan started giving rupees 624 to each son, he was left with less money for the youngest one. That means the one who is getting the money at the last, he is getting less money. So at that time, it seems you have made some mistake in the calculation. Let me check. Now Harisharan, he is saying that I think you have done some mistake, let me check. So again Harisharan started, Harisharan multiplied 624 with 4, 496. This shows you have done this wrong. Now see how he has checked the division. There is a formula you have read. Dividend is equals to Q into D. That means quotient into divisor plus remainder. The same method is applied here. Okay, Harisharan, he has made the same method, and he has applied the same method here, and he has counted, or he has got the total dividend. Okay, so the son the son did the division again. So son, he has divided it again, and he has got the answer as 614. Now before telling his father, he checked on his own. Now the father his own, that let me check with the same formula whether I am correct or not. Now it is correct. Each one will get 614. Here the division is already given. That means 2456 is to be divided by 4, because there are 4 sons. Okay, so divide it and the answer will be 614. Clear? So this is the page 185. Now come to the next page, page 186. This is the last page of this chapter. Okay, practice time. Practice time, you can do it of your own. This is the simple division of 1 digit and 2 digit. Okay, divide it of your own. Next question, question number 2. Solve the given sums and color the answers in the grid given below. This is also, you do it as homework, because here you have to multiply or you have to divide it, and whatever the answer you are getting, you have to color that answer in the given squared box. Okay, color it and see what you are getting. Okay, so students, this is also homework to you. Kindly do it, and whatever we have practiced for fields and fences in the online and in the offline class, both you practice. Okay, so bye all of you for today.